Assalamu alaikum everyone. So the very first thing we are going to do is we're going to open the start menu and type in partition. We're going to click on this tab and then we will have a new disk management panel open. Now we have to look for the unlocated memory. We will right click it and then click new simple volume. We'll click next. We'll leave it as it is. Next, and then what we can do is we can assign a letter to our local disk that we are going to create. For now, we'll just leave it at E and then we'll click next. Now we can also assign a name to our local disk from here. We'll just write blah and then click next and then finish. We're going to go to our this PC and then here you go. We have our new local disk. If we want to shrink the local disk that we have made, we will right click it and then we'll go to shrink volume and then we'll type in a number right here. And as for how we're going to get that number for the amount of MBs we need to shrink, we will go to the start menu and get a calculator app. We will multiply the amount of GBs by 1024. We have to type in that number right here and then we'll click shrink. Now as you can see, we have one local drive which is E and then the second one which is 40 gigabytes of unallocated space. We will right click it and we'll do the same process we did before. New simple volume, create next, assign a letter, we'll go with Q and then next, we'll leave the name as it is, next again and then finish. Now we go back to this PC and as you can see we have another drive with 40 gigs of memory. Now as for how we're going to get this 40 gigs back into our 60 gigs and make it 100 gigabytes, first we have to delete the volume. So right click it and click delete volume, click yes and then again right click, delete partition, click yes again. Now one thing you have to keep in mind is that if we have to extend the volume, we have to right click and then click on extend volume. Another thing we have to keep in mind is the unallocated space that we are going to put back has to be on the right side. If it is on the left side, we cannot use that to extend our drive. Like as you can see here, we can't do that with C because there is no empty space on the right side, so it can't extend the volume. So now we go back to E, click on extend volume, click next, and it has automatically selected the drive. Then click finish. Now as you can see, we have a drive. That's it for today. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.